Now students, here is our question number 4. In triangle ABC, right angle is at point C. Measure BC is equal to 2.1 centimeter and measure AC is equal to 7.2 centimeter. What is the length of measure AB? Here is our triangle. On point C, we have our right angle. Measure AC is equal to 7.2 centimeter, which is our base. Measure BC is equal to 2.1 centimeter, which is our altitude, and measure AB is unknown to us, which is our hypotenuse. So we will write x here. Here measure BC is equal to 2.1 centimeter. Measure AC is equal to 7.2 centimeter and measure AB is equal to x centimeter, because we have to find out the value of measure AB. To find out the measure, we will use our Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Here our hypotenuse is measure AB whole square and our base is AC and our altitude is BC. So we will write measure AB whole square is equal to measure AC whole square plus measure BC whole square. By putting the values, AB is equal to x, so we will write x square. Measure AC is equal to 7.2 centimeter, so we will write 7.2 centimeter whole square, and measure BC is equal to 2.1 centimeter, so we will write 2.1 centimeter whole square. To open the square, we have to find out the 7.2 square. 7.2 multiplied with 7.2, we got 51.84. Here is our working. And 2.1 whole square is equal to 4.41. We multiply 2.1 with 2.1, we got 4.41. Now add the both values. 51.84 centimeter square plus 4.41 centimeter square, we got 56.25 centimeter square. Here is the working. To find out the value of x, we will take square root on both sides. Square root of x square is equal to square root of 56.25 centimeter square. Square of x is cancelled with the square root, and centimeter square is also cancelled with the square root. And the square root of 56.25 is 7.5. Here is the working. So the length of measure AB is equal to 7.5 centimeter. This is our answer statement. Now students, next is question number 5. In the given figure, prove that a square minus x square is equal to b square minus y square. Students, here is our figure given to us. There are two triangles forming OBC and OAC. Here is the point C, which is not mentioned in the book. You will write here the point C. According to Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, here is our first right angle triangle O, B and C. We have, you know that Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. This is our hypotenuse, which is A. This is our altitude, which is C, and this is our base, which is x. So we will write A square is equal to x square plus C square. We will find the value of C square because this is the common side of both triangles. So C square is equal to A square minus x square. On the other hand, we have the triangle O, A and C. Same, you all know the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Here the hypotenuse is B, altitude is same C, and the base is y. B square is equal to y square plus C square. Here we will also find the C square because the same side of both triangles. C square is equal to B square minus y square. Here we got our first equation and here we got a second equation. Students, as you can see that in equation 1 and in equation 2, the right side is equal, C square here and C square here. When the equations have same side, the other side will automatically the same. So A square minus x square will equal with B square minus y square. We will write it as, by comparing equation 1 and equation 2, A square minus x square is equal to B square minus y square, which will we have to be proved. Now students, here is our question number 6. The shadow of the pole measured from the foot of the pole is 2.8 meter long. If the distance from the tip of the shadow to the tip of the pole is to 10.5 meter, then find the length of the pole. First, we will discuss what is being asking in the question. Look here students, this is our pole. Pole always stand in vertical position and its shadow is always in horizontal position. The distance between its shadow and its foot of pole is 2.8 meter, and the distance between the tip of the pole and tip of the shadow is 10.5 meter. We have to find out the length of the pole. In solution, there is a right angle triangle, as you can see. Then ABC is our triangle. On C point we have a right angle. AB is given to us, which is 10.5 meter. AC is also given to us, which is 2.8 meter. We have to find out the measurement of BC. As you all know, this is our hypotenuse, this is our base, and this is our altitude. It means in this question we have to find out the altitude. To find out the altitude, we will use our Pythagoras theorem. Let's start, students. Measure AC is equal to 2.8 meter. Measure AB is equal to 10.5 meter. And measure BC is equal to x, as you can see. By Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Here hypotenuse is measure AB whole square, base is AC, and altitude is BC. So we wrote measure AB whole square is equal to measure AC whole square plus measure BC whole square. Now we will put the values. AB is equal to 10.5, then we will write 10.5 meter whole square. AC is equal to 2.8, then we will write 2.8 meter whole square, and BC is unknown to us, then we will write x square. Students, the opening of squares you all know have to find out by multiplying the number with itself. Here is the working. 10.5 into 10.5, you all know the process of multiplication. We got answer 110.25. Here is 2.5 square, 2.8 square. 2.8 into 2.8, we have 7.84. Here are the values. 110.25 meter square is equal to 7.84 meter square plus x square. 7.84 meter square is adding with x square. On other side, it will subtract from 110.25 meter square. We got our answer, which is 102.41 meter square is equal to x square. We have to find out the value of x, so we will take square root of both sides. Square root of 102.41 meter square and square root of x square. X square cancelled with the square root, and meter square cancelled with the square root, and the square root of 102.41 is 10.12 meter. Student, here is our working. You all know very well about how to take square root. Here the point is, we do not have a perfect square, so we will round off the figure. We got answer 10.119. We will round off it to 10.12 meter. So the length of the pole is 10.12 meter. I hope, students, you understand all this question very well. Take care.